Hi, welcome to Sessions. This is Dr. T. Lawrence, where we speak about all mental health topics and things just to educate you on personal growth. Today's topic, I wanted to speak about our rise in mental health from the aspect of a patient's point of view and a therapist's point of view. It is growing overall. People are They want to know more about their mental health. They would like to understand it more. They're exploring things to just make them better, and it is growing, and this is a great thing. But one thing I want to let you know and inform you that there is a difference between the type of mental health assistance that you may receive. Some people debate between is a counselor, therapeutic counselor, the same as a coach. I'm here to tell you today they are different. And I will provide you with 3 distinctive reasons of a counselor, therapeutic counselor versus a coach. A therapeutic counselor, you're going to them for the most part. They're there to treat you with an array of treatment plans, psychotherapeutic treatment plans that they are trained to actually treat you for psychological disorders or any personal nature problems you may have. They are experienced where they use treatment models to actually treat you. A coach, on the other hand, they may have experience, they may have knowledge of these treatment models, but they are not trained in that way to treat you. A coach will probably give you advice on your day-to-day, and a therapeutic counselor will guide you. They will not give you advice. That is one big distinctive difference between the two. The second difference between the two is a therapeutic counselor, they may have the skills and the experience and the education and became an expert to actually diagnose you. They are capable of diagnosing you if there's a psychological disorder that's present, and they have those credentials to do so. A coach is not authorized. They do not have license to actually diagnose you. They may be well educated in knowing the symptoms of such disorders, but they are not allowed to diagnose. The therapeutic counselor not only know the symptoms, the diagnosis, the duration, all of that is a part of how do they come with the answer of what it is that you have been suffering from. So that's another difference between the two. The last thing I wanted to speak about is something that may be relatively similar in both therapeutic counseling versus coaching is when you go there to really just talk about your problems. And both are credible in being able to assist you with speaking about your problems. However, the differences between the two, depending on the problems and what is at stake, a therapeutic counselor, they're trained to figure out what type of problem it is, figure out what is the best approach for that problem based on all their training, and try to figure out the best one that works for you. They're there to also process with you what's happening with that problem, even to the point of resolution or growth. A coach will do similar things and have their own treatment plan on how they're going to get you through a problem, which is great. But sometimes I find that a coach may expose the problem and do not know how to wrap it up. Don't know how to get you to process the issue. And that sometimes takes a little bit more training, which is through a therapeutic counselor, a mental health professional does have. While all positions are needed greatly now, especially in the second year of this pandemic, it is growing. The counseling field, the mental health, just people knowing how important it is. You also should be educated to know who's who and to also know what will work for you. Some people rather have guidance, others rather have advice. There is no wrong on which is better. It's just knowing what works for you and knowing the difference between the two. So again, thank you everyone for subscribing to Sessions, where we speak about all mental health topics and personal growth. I'll see you later on this week. Subscribe below. Thank you all. Bye.